and then we're going to press on my gallery. Hello everyone, we're going to draw an IP text. So I'm gonna make it closer for you to check the name of the app. Okay, press on it, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to, so your gallery, it will be empty, not full like that one. I'm going to press on plus, this one, and you get a lot of options. The better one for you, it have to be 1K and 500 or 2K. It will be the best, not the best actually. You can make it 3K, and you can change the size from here, make it bigger, like that. Okay, and press it for me. Okay, and then I'm going to press here to open a reference window. Okay, and you will get this reference. I'm going to add a reference from your gallery. You have 3 dots here. Press on it, add reference, and then it will open for you a gallery. Just wait a minute. Here you are. Okay, for me, I'm already had one. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, first of all, if we're going to open here, that one, it's belong to layers, that the place you're going to draw your item. For example, I'm going to draw that fox. I'm going to draw the moon in separate layer. Okay, first of all, I'm going to check, this is layer number 1. The brushes is already here, so I'm going to choose the pencil. Okay, it's over here. Zoom a little bit for you to check. It's over here, and you have different brushes here for the pencil. I prefer the first one. Okay, and then check here stabilizer from off to 10. It will be perfect for you. Plus, open this, the length of start and the length of ends. This is how it looks like. So then I'm going to draw. I'm going to make this smaller a little bit. Okay. So it's better to draw a circle. Okay. Flip to make it easier for me in drawing. To be looks like a paper. Okay. I need to make it like that. Okay. And it's almost, my moon is done, so I need to change the opacity to be transparent a little bit, and then add a new layer. The new layer will be above it. Okay, and then I will trace the line that I want. Okay, because I already have a lot of lines here, I don't need all of them. Okay. It looks like that. When you're going to draw, if you have mistakes in your lines, you can change from here the eraser and start to erase the part that you don't need it. Okay, you can change the opacity of your brush from here too. Check here how it looks like. If you make it okay, maybe it looks like that one. This is the first step of my moon for the first layer. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna hide it from this eye. If I close it, you can see it. If I open it, you can see it now. Okay, I'm going to close it. I don't need it more. Now I'm going to draw my fox. I'm going to draw the fox in another layer, so I have to add from this, the new layer, it will be above. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my fox inside. So I'm going to back to my brush. I have to check it's already in a new layer. Okay, and I have a different way to draw. Bring a ruler, no, not ruler, symmetry ruler. It's over here. I'm going to bring it in the middle. Okay, when I'm going to draw anything here in the face, see, so I'm going to this is how it looks like, and draw the ear. It will draw in another way here. I have to concentrate in one ear, and another one will be directly drawn on another side. Okay, I need to fix this head because it's not circle. Bring the eraser to erase this part. I don't need it. Okay, check, and then I'm going to draw the nose of the face. It's like that. It looks like that. Okay, the eye, it have to be here, so I'm gonna draw it. Okay, I have to connect that a little bit. It's so tall for the face, so I'm gonna bring the eraser at this part. When you're going to draw or erase any part from here, it will be erased on the other side too. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm going to erase, not erase actually, I'm going to remove the symmetry, so I'm gonna off. It looks like that. Oh, off. I don't need it now. So the head, it's away a little bit from the moon, so I'm going to move to the transform tool here and bring it down a little bit, because I'm going to draw the hand. Okay, be here and press right, tick. So this is our face for our